Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 105PS 310 Kombi Crew Cab L2H2 Spares OR Repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, last miles known 180,000. MOT, 8 August 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has been stripped and parts of it are in the back of the van. Engine will need rebuilding or replaced. Gearbox and clutch seem okay. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6. HP